right. Hi, Pat.
Hi, Tim.
Thanks for letting everybody know about your healing experience with your knee. Tell us the background and what happened for you.
Well, my knee is I have degenerative joint disease, and my right knee in particular is the synovial fluid is gone. The cartilage is disappearing fast. And so I've been doing different things, allopathic things to help, and exercise and specific exercises. And it goes out every once in a while, and it went out one time. I'm in the 6th week of the hypnotherapy program. It went out one time. I wasn't able to even come to a module. It went out on me 2 weeks before this module started, and I was in a panic. I have my crutches, I have my cane, I have my sticks, I have everything that I need to hobble around. The first day, we did a door of truth, and Angela came to talk to me and said, "Is there anything you would like to work on?" And I said, the knee.
Yeah.
So we did that demonstration in front of the class, and for me, this particular door of truth is really powerful. Everything you do here is really powerful that we do and that we're taught. In my experience, the healing has been way more rapid than anything I've ever experienced in my life, psychologically, physically. So Angela worked with me, and we worked on my knee that I had developed a way of picking my leg up and torquing it in a certain direction to try and get it to work.
Yeah.
And so I did that 5 or 6 times a day. And she worked on it. We did the door of truth. And I haven't had even a twinge since then.
Wow.
I can't believe it. I you know, it's like, are you okay? Are you still, are you still there?
Yeah.
It's been absolutely remarkable. My crutches are in the car. They're not with me.
Wow. That's so great. We're so happy for you.
I'm happy.
Now, I mean, you're an ICU nurse,
Right.
and then master's level counselor, licensed here.
Correct.
And so, what's your did your doctor think you're heading for a knee replacement or something?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So
absolutely.
Wow. And so maybe you can delay
the
that.
Physical therapist. I have an orthopedic surgeon on my team. I've got all of that lined up.
Yep. And so that's maybe not going to be necessary.
I have an appointment with him at the end of the month.
Ah, yeah, wow. Well, really fun. Well, we're really happy, and you're going to keep a hold of that good feeling. That's really good. Yeah.
I am, and I just simply need to add that with my 40 years as a nurse and over 10 years as a psychotherapist, I think if I had known, or if you guys were here back when I was having some real serious physical problems, I would have come here.
Wow.
Because my experience is that the healing is more profound and more stable than so many other things.
It's our pleasure. We're so glad you're learning hypnotherapy now. That's so great.
Thank you.
Thanks, Pat.